Hello everyone, I will show you how to reset your Windows 10 or 11, how to format your laptop. First of all, what you need to do is to tap on the Windows icon from here and navigate to the settings, tap on it, and after that scroll down and tap on update and security and click on recovery option, tap on it, and from here he said reset this PC and you need to tap on get started, and from here we have two options. The first option is to keep your files and remove apps and settings but keep your personal files, and the second one is to remove everything. I will choose the first one. You can choose any option that fit you. And from here we have, he said, how would you like to reinstall Windows? We have a cloud download and local reinstall. Local reinstall, if you have a copy on your laptop and you make sure you can reinstall it again, do this option. But if you don't have it, just tap on the first one, download and reinstall Windows. And he said cloud download can use more than 4 GB of data. I will choose the first one, and from here tap on next, and after that your computer will restart it. And basically that's it. This is how we do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.